Hi and welcome. Are you ready to take control of your money and build a future you feel confident about? This course, Smart Money, Master Personal Finance and Beginner Investing, is here to help you do just that. Whether you're just starting out or trying to fix past money mistakes, this course will give you clear, simple steps to get organized, reduce stress, and grow your wealth. No jargon, no fluff, just real-world strategies anyone can use. You'll learn how to budget smarter, manage expenses, build an emergency fund, and understand the basics of investing. You'll also get tools to improve your credit, avoid common money traps, and create your personal financial plan. Each lesson is short, practical, and packed with examples. You'll get downloadable worksheets, real-life demos, and action steps to keep you moving forward. It's like having a money coach by your side. This course is perfect for young adults, new grads, or anyone who wants a fresh start with money. No prior knowledge needed. If you're motivated to learn, you're ready. Smart money habits don't happen by accident. They are built step by step. Let's start now. Join me and take your first step toward financial freedom. See you inside the course.